Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix screen tearing problem on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly, what you have to do, you just need to right click on your start menu icon, click on settings over here. After open settings window, you just need to click on system from your left side. On your right side you will get an option called display, so click on that. Now you just need to scroll down a little bit, you will get an option called advanced display. So under advanced display you will get a refresh rate option, so make sure that you have choose over here highest one. In my case it is 144 Hz, maybe in your case it is 60 or 120 Hz, so you have to make sure that you have choose the highest one. And after that, close this window. Now you just need to right click on your desktop and go to show more options, and here you will get NVIDIA control panel, so click on that. Now what you have to do, you just need to click on manage 3D settings from your left side over here. On your right side you just need to expand vertical synchronization option over here, and you just need to select, make sure that you have select use the 3D application settings, and after that you just need to click on apply, then restart your PC and it will fix your problem. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any questions or questions then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.